What if you could eliminate 40 hours of manual work every week? Thousands of businesses are already doing this with AI automation, and their profit margins are skyrocketing. Most businesses waste 30–40% of their time on repetitive tasks: data entry, email sorting, customer follow-ups, scheduling. AI automation handles these instantly. Companies using AI report 3–5% productivity gains within months. The average ROI, 300% in the first year. This isn't speculation, it's measurable, repeatable business results. First, customer service chatbots handle 80% of inquiries 24/7, reducing response time from hours to seconds. Second, lead qualification automation prescreens prospects, so your sales team only contacts hot leads. Third, invoice processing try invoice processing all three have clear payback periods under 6 months. You don't need engineers or coding knowledge. Platforms like Zapier, Make, and HubSpot connect your existing tools. QRM, email, Slack, accounting software without custom code. Start small, automate one workflow today. Document time saved. Scale to 5 workflows next month. The business case builds itself. Mistake 1, automating broken processes, fix your workflow first, then automating. Mistake 2, setting it and forgetting human relationships, keep the customer touch where it matters. Smart automating human relationships, keep the customer touch where it matters. Smart automating human relationships, keep the customer touch where it matters. Smart automation amplifies your team. Like this video, subscribe for more iBusiness strategies, and comment which task you'd automate first.